A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to the online class of English. Students, today we will take chapter 15 from English grammar, that is pronouns. In this chapter, we are going to study about subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive pronouns. So before starting it, let's revise what is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that we use in place of noun. So pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Let us understand by taking an example. Rohan is going to school. Rohan goes to school every day. So we can reframe this sentence by using pronoun. So how we can do that? Let's see. Rohan is going to school. He goes to school every day. As you can see that Rohan is a proper noun and we have replaced this noun with pronoun. So what is he? He is a pronoun. So I hope you understood this definition. A pronoun is a word that we use in place of noun. So Rohan, this name is that noun, a proper noun. Instead of Rohan, we have used he. He is a pronoun. So this pronoun replaces the noun. Let's take some more examples. This is Ram. Ram is a smart boy. I like Ram. So instead of using this name Ram again and again, we can just replace this noun with pronoun. So we can write it as this is Ram. He is a smart boy. I like him. Over here, he and him are pronouns. Let's take one more example. These are roses. Roses are flowers. I buy roses. Again, roses, instead of roses, we can use a pronoun. That is, these are roses. They are flowers. I buy them. So over here, they and them are pronouns. So we replace these nouns with pronouns. So as pronoun itself says that a pronoun is a word that is used in place of nouns. So in this chapter we are going to study about personal pronouns, and personal pronouns are further divided into subject pronouns and object pronouns. And we will also learn about possessive pronouns. So let's start with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns, the pronouns that stand for the names of people and things, are called personal pronouns. For example, Rita is not well. She went to visit the doctor. So what is she? She is the personal pronoun. Again, the second example says that the computer is new. It is a gift from mother. So it is personal pronoun. So in these sentences, she and it are personal pronouns. So there are lots of personal pronouns like us, I, you, they, she, them, her, him, right? So we can also just divide personal pronouns into three kinds, like first person pronouns, second person pronouns, and third person pronouns. Always remember that the person who is speaking is the first person. The person spoken to is the second person. The person spoken about is the third person. Personal pronouns are further divided into two types. First is subject pronouns. Second is object pronouns. Subject pronouns. Personal pronouns are used as a subject in a sentence. They are called subject pronouns. Examples: he is a good boy. They live in Goa. She is my niece. I am a girl. So, subject pronouns are underlined. That is, he, they, she, I are the subject pronouns. So, these are also the subject pronouns. Let's see some more examples. Let we solve this sum. Where do you live? We and you. These two are also subject pronouns. So these are the subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we. Now let's move towards object pronouns. Personal pronoun can be used as object and are called object pronoun. Examples: let me solve this sum. Send this letter to her. We are willing to help them. Me, her, them. These are object pronouns because they are used as object in the sentence. Here, him, her, them. These are also object pronoun. Like the ball hit him. So him is what? It is used as object in this sentence. Therefore, him is considered as object pronoun. Singular object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it. And plural object pronouns are us, you, them. So these are singular and plural object pronouns. These are some other examples of personal pronouns. I like pizza. You are my best friend. He plays soccer on weekend. She lives near me. It is very cold. We work in the same place. You are good friends. They are very crazy. So I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These all are personal pronouns. The sun is a star. It gives us heat and light. In this sentence, it is what? It is a subject pronoun and us is a object pronoun. We bought clothes for you. We is subject pronoun and you is object pronoun because we is used as subject and you is object. We also use pronouns to show that a thing belongs to someone. Such pronouns are called possessive pronouns. So now let's study what are possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. A pronouns that shows possession or ownership are called possessive pronouns. For example, this cat is mine. That it's showing the possession that this cat is mine. So mine is possessive pronoun. That dog is yours. So examples of possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. This book is mine. That dress is yours. So mine, yours are possessive pronouns. That car is theirs. That gift is yours. Is that bag mine? So theirs, yours, mine are possessive pronouns. Now let's see the last sentence. He is a rich man. That hotel is his. He is subject pronoun and his is possessive pronoun. So now let's study this table carefully. We have differentiation between personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. First person, that is whenever we have to use subject pronoun in singular form, we use I. And object pronoun in singular form, we use me. And possessive pronoun singular in first person is mine. Just study this table carefully and make sure that you just have to learn this table. So what you have done till now you know that a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Personal pronouns are used as a subject in a sentence. They are called subject pronouns. Personal pronouns can be used as object and they are called object pronoun. A possessive pronoun is used to show possession. So we have discussed now what is pronoun, what is object pronoun, what is subject pronoun, and what is possessive pronoun. So students, that's all in today's video. I hope you understood this chapter. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.